Hey everyone, listen carefully. This 5-minute strategy changed everything for me. No guessing, just clear, precise entries. And right here, this is my real account. Only $35, and I'm already in control. First, set the trade duration to 5 minutes. Alright, this time I'm putting in my full balance. But in your case, you can adjust it based on your own setup. Then use the Turbo Trend technical analysis. To download it, check the video description. Next, choose the market you want to analyze. Then connect the tool to your pocket option broker and click Confirm. And finally, set it to 5 minutes. Alright everyone, as you can see here, I just placed a sell trade based on my technical analysis. Now, the reason I'm using Turbo Trend FX is simple. It combines multiple indicators into one clear signal, so there's no confusion and no guessing. And for the 5-minute duration, this gives the market enough time to move naturally, making the signal more stable and much more reliable. Alright, for those of you who want to download it and get full access, just check the description of this video. Now, let's watch this trade, and I'm going to speed this part up. Alright everyone, the first trade was a win, my balance has increased. Now, I'm going to move on to the next trade. All right, as you can see, the results speak for themselves. This strategy is simple, clear, and most importantly, consistent. I've shown you exactly how I use it, step by step in real conditions. Now it's your turn to test it and see the difference. Remember, don't rush, stay disciplined, and always follow the system. That's the key. If you want full access to the tool, just check the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next trade.